180-ish, 10-ish. Oh, that's convenient. Time to turn the boat over again. The bottom's painted. It's all prepared. Turnination Part 2, Project 360. Turn the other cheek. I don't know. I'm just getting my trusty little standy things all rigged up again. And yeah, I know, I haven't finished the rudder yet. I just want to get this turned over. Well, we're set up again and ready to roll. Oh, I should point out these two strips of carpet here, and I'll put those under the skegs so they don't get scraped on the concrete. Well, there we have it. Rotated back up the right way. Went a little bit more smooth than turning it upside down. There's a few little spots on the edges here where the straps wore the paint off. I'll have to touch those up when I do the rest of the painting. And she's back the right way up. Looking lovely with the blue paint job. Finish routing down this side. It's a bit rough, and in some places I went a little bit too deep. Like I routed out this section a while ago and I went too deep, so it's kind of the same as this section, but you know, when I shape it with the sander, all these imperfections will sort of come out. So that's the basic shape done for one side. It's 40 degrees outside. This side went a lot easier than the first one. I routed from the outside in so that I could just keep the paper stuck on there and it would just slowly disintegrate as they came in. And I didn't have to do this weird stuff that I was doing on the other side with, you know, doing every second one and whatever. Why I didn't think of that, who knows? But thank you, internet commenter. Ready for the smoothening. There we go. This is our digital rudder now. I think I'll just get the belt sander out and have at it. See what occurs. What could possibly go wrong? Rudder shaping setup. Just got a few planks down here, and I've clamped it all so that the rudder is held securely. And you can definitely see on this side I was a lot more conservative. This is much closer to how it's supposed to be, and I kind of messed up the depths a little bit. there we have it. That's the rudder shaped. I guess it's not 100% symmetrical. I think maybe one side is very slightly thicker than the other, but if I keep having at it, I'm afraid that it's going to get too thin. I think maybe it already got a little bit too thin along the trailing edge here. So I'll just have to make sure that there's plenty of fiberglass on that. Well, I think that just about wraps it up for this episode, so thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed what you saw, what do you think about subscribing? And you can even ring that notification bell if you want to see when I'm next doing, you know, boat stuff. So, cheers!